Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create sections views from the Revit 3D model. Let's begin. I would like to start this tutorial defining what a section is. About architectural drawing, the term section typically describes a cut through the body of a building, perpendicular to the horizon line. A section drawing is one that shows a vertical cut transecting, typically along a primary axis, an object, or a building. Using 2D CAD systems, the section views could be quite laborious to generate, as you had to determine what you could and could not see depending on where your section was taken. With Revit, it's really easy. You just place the section line into the model and Revit will generate the section view using the 3D model database. To create a section, select the View menu tab, and then choose Section from the Create panel. To draw a section, we need to define it by 2 clicks. The first click places the start of the section line. The second click places the end of the section line. As soon as you make the second click, the section line and associated section view are created. Let's take a look at the key components of the section line. The section reference head or marker. The filled arrow on the one side shows you which way the section view is facing. The section reference head toggle. Click on this repeatedly to toggle through different. The far clipping plane. Use this to set the depth of the section view. Width clipping plane grips. Use these to set the width of the generated section view. If you look in the project browser, you'll see your new section view listed under the section building section group. Double-click on the name to open the section and make it the active view. We can also create staggered section views by adding split segments to our section lines. First of all, create a normal straight section. Now select the section line you have just created. A new option, Split Segment, appears on the ribbon menu. Go ahead and select this icon from the ribbon menu. Now as you hover over the section line, you will see that Revit offers you the ability to split the section line with each click of your mouse. By splitting and staggering our section line, it allows us to cut through different portions of a building, all within the same view.